Is your computer running slower than molasses in January? Does your printer sound like it's grinding coffee beans? And are you wondering if it's worth fixing your old gear or finally time to invest in something new? Well, I'm Ross Whitmore from Northern Technology Services in Petoskey, Michigan, and today we're tackling the age old business question: should you repair or should you replace your tech? We'll break down the warning signs, the hidden costs, and how to squeeze every last drop of value from your equipment without risking your sanity or your bottom line. Now, the true cost of just keeping it going. Let's be honest, most of us want to get the most out of our tech investment, but there's a hidden cost to nursing that old tech along. Lost productivity. Slow computers, they make slow employees. If it takes 5 minutes to boot up every morning, that's over 20 hours a year per person. Downtime. Old hardware is more likely to crash, freeze, need repairs at the worst possible moment. Security risks. Unsupported systems, they don't get security patches, making you a prime target for hackers and malware. Compatibility issues. New software and cloud tools often won't run on ancient operating systems. So sometimes that cheap fix is actually the most expensive in the long run. Now, the signs that it's time to repair. Not every tech hiccup means you need to go shopping. Here's when a repair makes sense. It's less than 3 years old. Most business grade computers and devices are built to at least last this long. The problem is isolated. Maybe it's a cracked screen, a dead battery, or a failing hard drive can often be replaced at a fraction of the cost for the new gear. No major security or compatibility issues. If your device still gets updates and your apps run smoothly, then, well, repair may be a solid choice. And that repair cost is less than 50% of the replacement. If a fix is relatively cheap and extends the life of your device by a year or more, then go for it. You have a backup. If it's not critical to your operation, repair buys you time to plan a proper upgrade. So now the signs that it's time. Sometimes it's time to let it go and upgrade. So here's how you know. If it's more than 4 to 5 years old, most business computers, they hit the wall here, especially with heavy daily use. Frequent repairs. If you're fixing the same device every few months, you're in a money pit territory. It's out of warranty or support. There's no more updates, no more support. That's a big red flag for security. Performance is dragging. If your team spends more time waiting than working, you're losing money. And if you can't run critical apps, if new software won't install or security tools won't run, you're overdue for an upgrade. Energy efficiency. Newer devices are often far more energy efficient, and they save you money on power and cooling. So, now we've built out a repair or replace type of decision tree. So ask yourself, is the device critical to your business? Is it still under warranty or service contract? Can it run all required and secure software? Is the repair less than half the cost of a new device? Will a repair give you at least another year of reliable use? Now, if the answer is no to most of these, it's time to replace. So how do you get the most from your old gear? You're not ready to upgrade. Okay, here's how to stretch that investment. Let's upgrade those components. Add RAM, swap into a solid state drive, or replace the battery with a big performance boost at a lower cost. Repurpose those old devices. Use them as backup machines or light tasks, or donate them to a local nonprofit. Wipe and reinstall. Sometimes a clean operating system install is all you need, and it will bring a sluggish PC back to life. Keep up with the maintenance. Regularly clean the hardware, update the software, check for dust, debris, especially in those laptop fans. Virtualize. For some legacy apps, run them in a virtual machine on newer hardware, and it can buy you time. Planning for future upgrades. Think smart, not reactive. I'm talking to you. Budget for your replacements. Plan to replace business computers every 4 to 5 years. Servers, network gear, 5 to 7. Track your warranties and support dates. Keep a log so you know when devices are nearing end of life. Standardize your equipment. Fewer models, easier support, and cheaper repairs. Consider leasing or hardware as a service. Predictable costs, always up to date, and less hassle. Now don't forget the data security. When you do replace, Don't just toss that in the closet. Wipe all the data securely before recycling or donating. Remove the hard drives and destroy it if you handle sensitive info. Use a certified e-waste recycler to keep things green and compliant. Send it to us. We work with one of those people. And when in doubt, ask for help. If you're still not sure, that's what we're here for. We can assess your current tech, estimate your repair versus replacement costs, and help you build a plan that fits your needs and budget. So now, with business tech, the right call isn't always obvious. But a little strategy, some honest math, and you can avoid a money pit. Keep your team productive and make every dollar count. If you're facing the repair or replace dilemma, or just want a tech checkup, call Northern Technology Services at 844-959-5040 or visit ntsmanage.com. We'll help you make the smart choice every time. Thanks for watching NTECH Tips. Subscribe for more tech truths, practical advice, and a few laughs along the way. And remember, sometimes the best upgrade is just letting go. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.